Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Amazon Prime free for 6 months. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are a couple of ways you can get Amazon Prime for free. The first and easiest method is just go to your browser and search for Amazon Prime Student Discount. That takes you directly to the sign-up page. If you're between 18 and 24 years old, or if you're a student, Amazon offers a completely free 6-month trial of Prime. This trial costs you nothing and includes added perks like Grubhub Plus, which lets you enjoy free food deliveries as part of the membership. After the 6-month period, your Amazon Prime subscription is offered at 50% off, making it a great long-term deal. With this Prime membership, you also get access to Prime Video, where you can stream movies and TV shows along with the usual benefits of free and fast shipping. This offer is especially appealing if you're a student or a young adult, and all you need to do is click the yellow Join Prime for 18 to 24-year-olds button on the page, and you will be on this page. Here, you'll be asked to verify your student status or confirm your age within the 18 to 24 range to qualify. If you don't meet those criteria, there's still a way to try Amazon Prime for free. Just search Amazon Prime 30-day trial, and that will take you to a page where you can start a free 30-day trial of Amazon Prime. This trial gives you access to all the Prime features, such as unlimited streaming with Prime Video, unlimited photo storage with Amazon Photos, Prime gaming perks like a free Twitch channel subscription, Grubhub Plus for free delivery, and Amazon's signature fast and free shipping. So, whether you're eligible for the 6-month free trial or the 30-day version, there's a way for everyone to try out Amazon Prime without paying anything up front. Just choose the method that fits your situation, follow the steps to sign up, and enjoy all the Prime benefits. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Amazon Prime free for 6 months. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.